Hello and welcome, my name is Trenton Hoshiko, and today's cinematography video is all about using a free Draw.io template that I made to make cinematography and lighting layouts. Okay, to start off, I created a Draw.io template with some pre-made icons for lights, cameras, backdrops, modifiers, etc., all from assets within Draw.io's base program. They're also labeled, and they're in a menu bar of sorts, so they're really easy to place into your diagram. I created this to make sure that I didn't have to recreate the assets and relabel them every time I wanted a new layout. And because the software wasn't originally made for filmmakers, I'm glad it has this level of customization because it creates a lot of flexibility. I put the Draw.io diagram template on my Patreon as a free resource, so all you have to do is go to my Patreon link in the comments or the video's description and download that to get started quickly. This is 100% free, so you get the most use out of it because it's also based on a free tool in the first place. If you want to join my Patreon or you want to drop me a tip on Ko-fi or buymeacoffee.com though, that would be greatly appreciated. It helps support the channel and more free tools. So now with that file downloaded, we can import that into Draw.io. Once your template is loaded into the program, you can see the items at the top in a menu bar. I just usually right click and select duplicate, or you can use the left menu to see all of the assets available and drag and drop them into your scene. Below that menu of assets is the primary work area. If you need more space, this can be expanded by placing an object below, left, or right of the main margins. Today I'm going to be breaking down the lighting diagram I'd use to make this image. You can import and place an image very easily to have it ready for reference. From here, I usually draw the shape of the room I'm going to do the layout for. I try to keep it as scale as possible. If I really need details, however, the object elements aren't to scale for sake of image clarity. With the room shape set, now I'm going to add the camera placement to match the image. Next, I'm looking at the light sources and placing them to match the light angles. Don't worry about modifiers yet, we'll get to those. Just get those lights placed first. Next come the diffusion modifiers. Really look at your image to see if you can spot the usage of these. Look in particular at the shadows and how they spread and how their edges look. Lots of times these are used to control the light from windows, despite it looking very natural. You don't have to split up diffusion from the other modifiers, but I sometimes do that and then do each step throughout the entire image. Or my other alternative is I finish each source up before moving on to the next source. And that is just about it. This is a very convenient way to create lighting diagrams, and it is free. If there is something else that you need out of the program, you can always create and modify objects to customize it to your usage even. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on lighting diagrams and really excited to share my free Draw.io template with you. If you have comments or questions, please leave them in the video comments down below. If you're a person who likes micro-budget cinematography videos like this one, please give the video a like to help me with the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me reach new audiences. You can also subscribe for upcoming videos about tools and techniques for cinematography, lighting, and micro-budget filmmaking. I am not sure where you might have heard that before, but I hope it was here. These videos are viewer supported, so if you can, please find me at patreon.com/TrentonHoshiko, Ko-fi.com/TrentonHoshiko, or buymeacoffee.com/TrentonHoshiko. I'm also on all sorts of social media websites, so you can find me at twitter.com/Trenton_Hoshiko, my Mastodon, Hey.Cafe, Cinematography Pinterest, and filmmaking Tumblr links are also in this video's description. But most of all, do something kind for someone today. You have no idea how much it can mean to them.